Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to improve audio quality with Krisp AI in 2026. If you want clearer voice calls, better meeting audio, and less background noise, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open the Krisp AI application and sign in to your account. Make sure you've selected the correct microphone and speakers in the Krisp settings before joining any meeting or recording. Next, turn on noise cancellation for your microphone. This feature removes unwanted sounds like keyboard typing, fan noise, traffic, and other distractions while keeping your voice clear and natural. Now, if your version of Krisp supports speaker noise cancellation, enable it as well. This helps reduce background noise coming from other participants during calls. Next, open your meeting app, such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. In the audio settings, choose Krisp microphone as your input device and Krisp speaker as your output device if you're using both features. Before joining an important meeting, make a quick test call and speak at a normal volume. Adjust your microphone position so it's close enough to capture your voice clearly without causing distortion. Finally, keep Krisp AI updated to the latest version and avoid running unnecessary background apps that may affect your computer's performance during meetings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to improve audio quality with Krisp AI step by step. You can now enjoy clearer conversations and more professional-sounding meetings. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.